All right, students. Today we're going to go over the basics of North American geography. And these are some things that you should just generally know. So this is a map of North America right here. And the three largest countries in North America is, of course, our very own United States of America, right here in the middle. Now, Alaska is up here, and that's also a part of the United States. Okay. Then our northern neighbor is up here. This is Canada. Okay, that's another place you need to know about. And our southern neighbor is down here. This is Mexico. So those are the three largest countries in North America. Now, there are a whole bunch of smaller countries down here in an area that we call Central America. And Central America is actually a part of the continent of North America, but it's right in the middle between North and South America, although it is on the North American side. And there's a whole bunch of little tiny countries that you can see down there. Okay, so those are the basics of the countries. There is also this island up here that is associated with North America, known as Greenland. It's actually owned by Denmark. Okay, and so that's the basics of the countries that are here in North America where we live. And of course, our country is the United States. Okay, now there are some major bodies of water that you should also know about. One of them is, of course, the Pacific Ocean, and that is right here next to California, where we live. Now, California is, of course, a state that is a part of the United States. Okay, and then the other major body of water next to us, or the other major ocean right next to the United States, is the Atlantic Ocean, and that's over here along the eastern coast of the United States. So the west coast of the United States borders up against the Pacific Ocean, and the east coast of the United States borders up against the Atlantic Ocean. Okay, now all the way up here next to North America, of course, is the Arctic Ocean. Okay, and that is on the very northern parts. It touches parts of Canada, Alaska, and Greenland. Okay, so those are three oceans touching North America. You also should know about the Gulf of Mexico, which is down here. It touches the United States. Lots of states like Florida, Mississippi, Alabama, Louisiana, Texas all touch the Gulf of Mexico. And of course, it also borders up against Mexico. A little further south than that is the Caribbean Sea, right? So these are major bodies of water that are around North America. Okay, so this is the major things that you need to know about our continent that we live on. Okay, so once again, the United States is a country on the continent of North America, and California is our state within the United States where we live. So I hope you learned, and I hope you keep studying more geography and learning more and more about where we live. Have a great day.